Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to play any video in Windows Media Player. So first of all, what you have to do is locate the video that you want to play in Windows Media Player. Once you find the video, what you have to do is simply right click on the video. Now you'll be able to find several options like open, add to media player, play queue, play with media player, cast to device, etc. You can also click on the option play with media player and this video will be played with the media player, or instead of that you can also click on the option open with. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for Windows Media Player and click on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here that video will be played with Windows Media Player, or instead of that you can also open the video in Windows Media Player itself. For that what you have to do is open Windows Media Player, click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar, click on the search bar, type in Windows Media Player. Now you'll be able to find the option for Windows Media Player over here, simply click on it. Now you can see over here the Windows Media Player will be opened. Over here at left you'll be able to find several options over here, so simply click on the option videos. Now you'll be able to see the videos over here, simply click on the video that you want to play. Now you can see over here that particular video will be played. So like this, you'll be able to play any video in Windows Media Player. So that is how you play any video in Windows Media Player. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.